watch as I restore this abandoned car that I found in the, no, I'm kidding, it's my car. I just took the car seats out and found all of the crackers. So one of the things I was thinking about as I was recording this was I'm going to get a ton of comments that say, how did it get this bad, right? And I get it. I see this all the time. And I just want you to know that when you're watching a video like this and it looks really gross and horrible, just know it's not like asking how did it get this bad is never encouraging. It just makes us feel worse. Maybe I'm speaking for myself here, but it's bad. I know it's bad. You know it's bad. How did it get this bad? If you're genuinely interested, it's a combination of things, right? Mental illness, pandemic, working full time, general disinterest in cleaning, a little laziness thrown in there too, right? I'll own it. But look at how clean I got it, okay? And this was after a couple of hours. I'm not done. I have to do a part 2 and 3. I don't like to do a part 2 and 3 to you, but this was as much as I could do in one day. It's a lot. Alright, so part 2 of the car and the final part of my car cleaning. So I wasn't holding out on you, I just hadn't recorded it yet. This took me 2 full days after the first day to complete it. So I'm going to give you the product breakdown as I go because I got a lot of questions about the product. So that first spray was Turtle X and I was using a microfiber cloth. That vacuum is a Tinco, it's a stand-up as well as a handheld. On the rug I'm using Dawn dish soap and water and just a scrubber. And this is the Bissell Little Green Machine. I got a lot of questions about this. It comes with a soap, like a solution, so that's what I used the first day, and then the second day I used like a Hoover solution because they have a spot cleaner that I have as well. As you can see, the rugs were horrific. I spent so much time on these rugs and then I just had to stop. So this is a Turtle Wax again, and then like a squishy sponge or really soft sponge that they sent it with. This stuff is the MVP of the entire cleaning process. It is OxyClean, and I got it just kind of like going through the auto section. In the middle of cleaning, I went out and just went to the store and went to the auto section, and this was in there. So good. I wish I had it from the start. And oh yeah, that's a good one for you. I used it on everything. I used it on the doors, the rugs, everything, and it was just really good. I wish I had had it from the start. Anywho, while I'm doing this and not switching products, I did want to say thank you so much for your support in that first video. The comments were phenomenal. So many people just from saying mine looks like this too, to you're doing a great job, to don't feel bad, just all of it was very, very cool, and I appreciate it. Okay, the mats. I took them out of the shower. I apologize for that. I used my power washer. I should have done that from the start. I got some glass wipes, and then this is what it looks like at the end. So they have their little garbage, their books are organized, they have little organizers on the back of the seats for their toys. Look at that door, come on. Anyway, this is how the front came out. It's really nice. There's just no crumbs, no grossness. It's really wonderful. It's not as good as I would have liked it, but it's as good as it's gonna get. And this guy's great.